Hello tubers, Mescal here. I've been following William Enke doing his coil stacking, and I haven't got to the point of even firing up any coils yet. I'm trying to find a suitable cap to get me in a resonant frequency that this thing's going to drive at. I believe it's in the 17 kilohertz region. So yeah, just trying to find a cap that'll give me resonance in that 17 kilohertz frequency range. And I'm sweeping this flat pancake here with the frequency generator. So let's look at the screen. I've just sort of hunted out the resonance spot for this one, and I'll show you how I'm doing that. So across, like straight out of there, across the coil and cap in parallel, so it's all hooked up in parallel. I've got the scope across there as well, so yeah, that leg is going into there, that leg is going to the outside, and scope across it. So if I drive up and down on the frequency generator there, and we look, so actually it's moving a bit slow because I'm moving to ballpark and get close. We'll move it to 100 per step. And watch what happens. So I'm up at 45 kilohertz, 39, 27. And if I go low, you see how it's flattened out, and you'll see there's a peak and then it tails off. So peak and tail off. So if I get close to there, and then I can go change the step down to 1, and then that way I can get closer. So what I want to do now is make it real tall so that I can look at the top, and I don't need to see the bottom, I just need to see the top of the peak. So I'm making it real tall by increasing the volts per division. And I'm just going to try and sit it on one of those lines, and then I'll go up and down again until I've got the tallest spike I can get there. So let's do that again. It's shrinking, coming back down, and there it is, shrinking again. So somewhere around about there, 31.1. Maybe we can get it a bit better. 31.6 is too far. Anyway, that's the idea. So that's giving me the general resonant frequency of that capacitor coil combo. I'll pause and I'll put another cap in there and show you just how different it behaves with a different capacitor. So here's this one here is a little 1000 volt. It says 1/20. It doesn't even have a picofarad rating. It's a RS Components product that I pulled out of something. Alright, so I'll pause and swap out the cap. Remember, we're at 31, close enough to 32 kilohertz for this cap. Okay, back on. So that cap's across there now, and I can bring my floor back up. And so where's it gone? There it is. There's the line. Zoom in on that for you, and make it a bit taller. And so we're well and truly not near resonance with this cap coil combo. And so I'm climbing the frequency here, going up, going up, going up. I'm only going up by 1, so I may as well move the step back up to 100 so that I can do this a bit quicker. Okay, so here we go. Coming into resonance there, we've gone past it. Let's dial that back. Gone past again. Somewhere around there. We'll move to step by 1. I'll make it tall again so I can see the top. And we just do that again when we're looking for the tallest peak, or we're moving up and down the frequency band. Looks like it's starting to tail off there. Yeah, starting to get smaller. Come back down. A little bit taller there. Okay, so we've gone past by a fair bit, and we're starting to tail off there. So come back, back up, back up. Right about there, I'd say. So 65.8 kilohertz. So big difference with the different cap. And when I put these X-ray ones on, it takes me up just under a megahertz. Sorry, 10 meg. Around about 8.5 meg I was getting a peak with these. So they're no good. And looks like I'll need a different one again to get into the range. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. That's just the mono, and I'll have to hook this Tesla bifilar up so that the outside is connected to the inside, and then I'll sweep that as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and yeah.